So hello everyone, Carpet Area brings you up with the most luxurious project situated right on the midpoint of SV and Link Road of Malad West. This project consists of 4 acres of land parcel in which only 1 acre of land parcel will be used for the towers. The rest 3 acres will be for the garden space. This project is consisting of 3 level of basement parking plus G+10 level of podium parking. The amenities are there on the 11th podium plus on the rooftop. There are 30 plus amenities over here which includes swimming pool, gym, squash court, guest rooms, library, theatres and multiple more. Whatever you request, whatever you want, everything will be available on this project. So let's check out the sample flat. So this is 3 BHK. 3 BHK is of 1019 square feet of area in which your hall is again of 200 square feet. Now the balcony space which you will see over here, this is of again 35 to 40 square feet, plus over here you will also get the vertical garden concept, and the view from here you can see the city view. Let's check out the kitchen space. This is kitchen, 2-side platform, 10 by 8, plus you're getting a duct space where you can easily put the washing machine. We'll see the bedroom space now. Now this bedroom is of 130 square feet. It's a master bedroom. You'll also get this half fixed, half sliding window over here. From here also your view will be beautiful enough. The washroom space is again of 7.9 by 4. Now we'll see the other bedroom. This is the common washroom. The bedroom space is again 13 by 10, 130 square feet. We'll see the half fixed, half sliding window from here. The view will be very beautiful from here again. Now let's check out the last bedroom, which is 14 by 10, 140 square feet. The washroom of this is again spacious enough. You can see the fittings and everything which will be provided to you, a branded fittings. This is 140 square feet of master bedroom. You will be having the half fixed, half sliding window from this part, as well as this side also we have provided with a French window which will be half fixed, half sliding. So this was all about 3 BHK. Now the pricing for this is starting from 3.26 CR onwards. That is it for this. Now for more details and for more information you can visit the site carpetarea.com.